Hey guys, in this video, I will show you guys how to find your channel ID in Discord. This ID will be needed when you try to configure some of Discord bots. First, you have to know what these Discord channels are. You can see them on the side of your Discord application. It's a discussion chat room and it can be a voice or text chat room. To find its channel ID, you need to enable the advanced developer option from Discord. And this will give you the option to copy your chat room channel ID. Just right click the channel that you want to copy its ID, then click copy ID and then paste this ID wherever you want to configure. It's simple as that. And I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.